Here is a wonderful 2019 Toyota Avalon. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sleek and smooth Toyota Avalon. This full-size sedan cradles you and your passengers in quiet luxury, keeps you safe, connected, and entertained with the latest technology, and thrills you with its unmistakable premium feel and striking looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start, keyless start, power passenger seat. You deserve a daily dose of luxury. Get behind the wheel of this elegant Avalon and start looking forward to every drive. Our knowledgeable staff will make your test drive fun and easy.